So a while back, we actually checked out a product called Tactigon. We were really interested in this product, and we actually backed and covered their release of their model called the Skin, the Tactigon Skin. It looked amazing, gesture control, the ability to adapt it and use it with Arduino and other forces to be able to use this for multiple applications and processes sounded awesome. Its design integrated voice commands, motion capturing, as well as hotkeys on the device. It looked like a beautiful, well-engineered piece of technology. And then we waited 3 years. And then they gave us this, which they're calling the Tactigon Milano. Now, I know in the process they said there was a lot of issues getting the parts for the devices, and I can respect that to a degree. You know, with Indiegogos and Kickstarters, you're backing the constant idea. There's always a possibility of failure, but you are backing them to try to get the product, no matter what anyone else tries to say. So in here we have a thank you card. We imagine many times this moment during the last 3 years. You are a part of the strong team with a clear vision of the future. Tactigon is not only a product or a brand. Tactigon is a new vision of the world. Man-machine interface simplified and humans free from hard and unsafe work. The Tactigon crew. Well, off the bat right here, this looks like a nice case. I mean, it matches the color of the red. There's, you know, the white for the Tactigon. The controller itself, which we'll put a picture up here, looked amazing in all of the promotional work, what the final product was going to be. So let's see if this stacks up. So as you can see here, we have massive differences from what we were expecting. We were expecting a device that came with a dock for charging the device, but it did not look anything like this. We've got a USB to USB-C cable. It appears no manuals or information whatsoever. A foam insert that specifically holds these two pieces. And this looks like cheap plastic with a sticker on it. This is a sticker. You can tell because look how it doesn't line up to the port. I imagine it does some form of induction charging on this base, which is what the other base was supposed to do. Mind you, that looked a lot better. The device, I imagine, goes here in your hand, but it used to have buttons, numerated buttons on the top of here that you could connect to. This feels like this might be a touch sensor button. And the QR code here just gives you the serial number for the product. So it doesn't even connect you to like the website with software. We went onto the website and they basically said that to set this up, you would plug this into your computer, this base. Mind you, the device was to come without the need of a connective dongle. The controller itself was supposed to directly connect to your computer. This device was supposed to just be a charger for ease of use. But nope, you have to connect this to it, and then you have to download the software for the unit, which are not available. The Tactigon has not released the app yet for this. Yes, they've already started sending these out to the backers on the Indiegogo, but what does it matter? You can't use it. The skins, as they're calling it, because this was supposed to be the Tactigon Skin, aren't available, not accessible on the site. The site is horrible to traverse. I have seen this company at CES for the last 3 years talking about how this product is coming and it's going to revolutionize everything. This is cheap plastic with stickers on it. I'm very disappointed. I wanted to be able to take this out and show you like cool ways I'm able to control my mouse, or maybe video editing, or a 3D animation, or anything like that you can work in a 3D space with these controllers. But there's nothing I can do right now to be able to access the software. They showcased it working. They've given it to some people to make videos with, but to the actual consumers who purchase the product, not a chance yet. We actually backed for 2 of these. So aren't we the fool? I mean, I don't want to insult myself on this, because we actually believed that this company was going to produce a product, and the product itself looked awesome. But this is just a harsh reminder that sometimes in the tech field, a company will promise something, not deliver. We'll come back to the Tactigon again if they release the software, and we'll see if it's even worth it with the software. But I'll tell you right now, as a person who received my product, I am disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow along in case you get more software information or updates about this product. And until then, keep watching. Bye.